A for ant. B for boy. C for cow. D for deer. E for emu. F for frog. G for gorilla. H for hippo. I for abyss. J for jar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wall. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.